will say that you talk to me, why can't you go straight to the point? You can just through this video because it's not you that I'm gisting. The people that I'm gisting, they are listening to my thing. So this is me just saying, more verbals. How about landlords are nice? They are super nice. Is it Nigerian landlord? I'll come and do this one, but you tell Nigerian landlord that your socket is not working. You know that's on you. Is it that way? Then the socket, I never tell you the time that they don't handle spoil. It's not me that spoil it, but you see me moving my hand. And they came to fix it. It is not calling money. As I make videos about, there was a time that I will tell you guys, will tell you. So this is just me saying, if you are still contemplating, should I stay in Nigeria? Should I move abroad? Should I kill? Please move abroad. Life is sweet. Life is softer. It's not this argument that I used to have with Nigerian landlords. Hey, come my clinic, look at it. Abroad landlords, look at it. Something I could have done myself. But over there, Nigeria, I cannot even call my landlord that something happened to my soccer where I even need soccer. You know, that even. But see the way they are pampering me in another man's country. But in my credit country, it is not pampering me. See, as much as I'm a patriot citizen of Nigeria, sometimes person could just. Anyways, let's dive right into today's topic. So as I was saying, my brothers and my sister, the Canada packages that are actually available, there are actually three. Like I told you, I've cancelled some, I've shifted some, I've merged some, I've changed companies, and I found new ones, I found old ones, and all of that, right? Yep. And so there are three packages available, and all these packages, they all lead to permanent residency. I get asked this question a lot. People, okay, which of your packages lead to permanent residency? Everything leads to permanent residency, but then there are so many factors that is going to affect which one will be faster for PR, depending on the individual, depending on how much you can afford, your money, and all of that. They all lead to permanent residency. So in the progress of this video, what video is sharing law match at so differences between gbogbo Canada packages here at similarity o ti ye yin beyin so what are the difference or similarities between these package differences? So another thing that makes these packages different is the money that is involved and the people that will be eligible, and then another factor is duration, eligibility, and all of that. And another thing again is documents that will be involved, and yeah. But regardless of everything, the similarity between these three packages are: number one, they all lead to permanent residency. Number two, you can pay on installment regardless of the packages. Number three, you need documents, right? But then there are some of this package or any of these packages that you can apply to, that the agent can assist you with the documentation and all of that. You understand? Yeah, right? So now let's dive right into it. So the first one is Agent A. So don't use to look at the first Agent A where I first post. Now me just the name man as Agent A, since we are just trying to summarize and reshuffle the Canada packages that I have. So the first on my list is the first on my list is in no particular order. The first one on my list is Agent A. This one I title it indirect to direct work permit. Yeah, so this one, it actually entails you getting like a visitor visa. You know, it's actually legal to convert your visitor visa in Canada, but you cannot work on visitors visa. Yeah, it is illegal to work on visitors visa, but you can convert. So it's like you converting your visitors visa to work visa or any other visa. And when I talked about this particular pathway in the video, I was like, there are some conversions that I don't want to talk about in the video, or I don't want to mention. But I was like, if you're going to be a client that want to actually enroll into this pathway, make sure to have an open mind. Yeah, so something about this particular pathway is from visitors visa to settlement. Like I told you, it leads to PR as well. So this one is depending on the client, depending on this thing. There was one client that paid for one of these packs. I don't know who went to send me. No, sure. That's what I need to do for the clients that tell the agent to do this one for you. And so now they are. I did not gist to people since that time. once I've done a favor like this, please come back bad demo. Don't come and tell me you're not the agent. Come and be talking, because sometimes you just be gossiping to the client. Me, I don't even know say the client not even qualify. Me, they feel like say make the client just do this one, not that kind of as per se, because her visa go so expire. You get? I was like, oh yeah, now me she tell the agent say may him want this one instead of this one, say that kind of thing. I don't know say me, I don't even calculate the time, say this thing. Now so she go change almost now that one where I talk go where I see. So in this particular pathway, I am not this particular package, this agency, I am not mentioning anything in particular. Like I said, just have an open mind. So when you get the contact of the agent, when you tell him your location, your job, and all of that, we tell you what is best fit for you and what is applicable to you. So that's why I'm telling you that have an open mind. So he can tell you, oh yeah, did this, did, oh yeah, kineko, oh yeah, kineko, as long as it's legal. Yes, kineko. So like I said, it could vary from work visa, from assisting you with the visitor's visa, assisting you with your settlement in Canada, assisting you with job, assisting you with conversion, assisting you with anything that you want legally. Yeah, legally. And any other thing. Just like you having somebody in Canada. So this particular package, they did actually charge 1,700 Canadian dollars. Yeah, and for me to give you the content of this agent, the agent that will give you peace of mind, that will not stress you, that will not carry your money and run, that you don't have any reason to come and say, she because you people know that since when I've been collecting with happy for the past 2 years, you've not even able to say she because I used to do my due diligence. So for me to give you the content of this agent, I'll charge you 2 million naira only. So the agent charge 1,700 Canadian dollars, and of course he allows instrumental payment. So depending on how you actually want to pay it, it allows for instrumental payment. But my referral fee is not, you cannot pay it on referral fee, because if you gotta pay me part money and I give you agent contract, we know we be actually our name is, so my referral fee is not, I don't allow instrumental payment for my referral fee. If not, if you want to do referral, we'll be looking at each other. The audio to complete away. But to find contact the agent. Thanks for your understanding. But the agent himself actually allows what's it called? Instrumental payment, and the agent actually charge in Canadian dollars, right? But me, I charge in Naira. Patriotic citizen. Even if I don't live in Nigeria, I still believe in Nigeria. You get. So the next on my list is Agent B. This one I call it direct work permit to direct work permit. So this company, they actually charge between 6,000 to 15,000 Canadian dollars. 6,000 to 15,000 Canadian dollars. This one is direct work permit. You schedule a consultation with them. They will check your profile. They will check the job that is available, the job that you can do, and all of the direct work permit. You will get, not like you are first going from visitor to this to that to clinical, all those. No, this one is direct. Waiting there your CV. Now they go take assist you with job. So even if they cannot get the actual job for you, for example, let's say even if they can't get the actual job for you, for example, maybe if you're all this profession that always needs license and you've not written your license exam, they can get you something similar, right, to that profession, or something lower, but not so lower. Maybe say the home office will be suspecting you that she they want me, that kind of thing. You understand? So something the companies in Canada, they know how best to do it, but I'm just explaining to you, like that. So just like being a medical doctor and then you're opting for caregiver job, Canada, you're lying, because there are other jobs on the way that is higher than care assistant. I hope you understand. But then there are some people that can get other jobs that they will not waste their eyebrows. So the company knows how best to fit you in a better position, that it should not raise eyebrows that why is this person settling for this, something like that. So my referral fee, to give you the contact of this company, my referral fee is 2 million naira as well. and that's it. This company charge between 6,000 to 15,000 Canadian dollars, and for them to be able to determine which range you fall into, like I said, many factors will affect, like profession mainly, your location as well, maybe the location the job is as well, a bit the job they will find for you, something like that. Yeah, it's really going to affect. So for you to determine this, you have to schedule a consultation with them. For their consultation, they charge 250 USD. Listen to me very well, clearly, because people use to somebody's mouth. Agency, they charge 6,000 to 15,000 Canadian dollars agency fee, and I've told you that all these packages I'm talking about, they allow instrumental payment, except me, they have to pay my fees once, right? You get that? But to schedule a consultation with the company, you're not paying to me, you're paying their consultation to them. You know, this Canada company, they charge 250 USD, not Canadian dollars. 250 USD. So it's from that consultation, you submit your CV to them, and they will assess you. They will tell you the jobs you can get. They will tell you how to go. They're not telling you how to go about it, because I don't assist you with the job. But they will tell you everything. I shall plan this with you and all of those things. Do you understand? So it is doing that consultation as well. You now negotiate the payment plan with them. So it's after they've checked your CV, then they will not tell you, oh, this is the range you fall into, this is the range you fall into, this is the range you fall into. So once they tell you the range you fall into, they will tell you their normal instrumental payments for that range. So if it's something that you're comfortable with, fine. But if it's not something that is easy for you to pay, just tell them, bros, have fun now. This kind of thing, help me, instead of maybe 3 installment, let me do 4, let me do 5 for anything, you can negotiate. And if you get there, I try and negotiate, I feel like the instrumental payment is not that favorable, you can actually reach out to me to help you. Instrumental payment, please don't reach out to me. Like I said, my last experience with choking mouth after the therapy, it almost puts me into this thing. So I don't like to be interfering. The only time I will listen that I come and say, damn you, is when you tell me the agents that you give me carry my money and run away. That's why I say, Nibo, you didn't why? But any other this thing, please, you people will resolve me. I'm just here, I'm just at the corner. Because sometimes somebody will be looking out for clients. The client will just turn everything over on somebody's head in a split of a second. That client did it for me. And with the way the client was turning it, I was like, this one way they do, I hope he's not us here using side to share you. I have to gym to buy baby come gym. So you better work careful, Laura. So me once I have to be fair, I always did me do. As long as I say they not carry your money on, is it that they do your job or they refer the my own is the integrity part of it. That's what I'm referring you to. So any other small misunderstanding is saying TV installment, you say for or this, you people can talk it out to yourself. Because if I can shook mouth, you can turn it on my head and say, "Shebi I say, please you, Momo and in that shebi I say now, majority of you, I know where it's so silly to shebi I say, wait, can you me once I share you contact of agents." As long as they do not scam you, as long as they do not SCAM you, so that's it said. And for this one as well, different jobs are available. So this particular package, this agent P, is for those in Canada only. If you know you're already in Canada, you're present in Canada, this particular company is for you. Then the third category, agent C, this one I tag it as direct work permit as well. This one is direct hire. You're not passing long journey, you're not going from one place to another, converting one visa to another. This one, referral fee for this one too is 2M. So regardless of any of my packages that you're opting for, my referral fee is 2 million, and that's it. So the agency fee for this company is between 6,000 to 15,000 USD. Remember the Canada company that I got for Canada people, that one is charging in Canadian dollars. But you that are outside, so this particular one is for people that are outside Canada. It is charged in USD. And this particular company, they charge consultation of 250 USD as well. I hope you understand that. So if you are outside Canada, this company, you're paying USD for your agency fee and for your consultation fee. So as usual, it is during the consultation, that's when you submit your CV to them. They will tell you the jobs they can get for you. You guys will talk, you guys will negotiate. After that one, you talk about location of the job. I know it's one of those things that will affect whether you want this place, them they can get to this one and everything. So after they will tell you, this is the range that you fall into. Then from that one, that's when you guys will talk about instrumental plan. So that's what the consultation stage is all about, for you to discuss all the possibilities and the everything that you want to know. Yeah, having a consultation with them in particular. I hope you understand that. Yeah, so this last one is for those that are inside Canada, and like I said, regardless of any of these packages, my referral fee it's same. And these packages, this agency's company, they allow instrumental payment. So I've told you guys packages that, so the major difference between these three packages is number one, money. So the one I mentioned at first is like the cheapest one, and that's why I told people that if you cannot afford this other one, you can go through the route. That one is looking like more journey, but then at the end of the day, you go still land for where they go. At the end goal of everybody is pure. If you can afford the direct hire, why not go for it? But if you cannot afford it, will you keep waiting till the year you can afford it? So go for the one that you can do and keep moving, right? The goal is keep moving. You cannot just stay in one place. So if you can afford the visitor one, go for it. Then from there, you'll be mounting your step. The agent is there to guide you on any process, anything that you want. It will guide you through it. But if you know that you want a baby girl life, you want something that is directed, that you're in Canada or you're outside Canada, if you can afford it, go for it. So I've tried to look for packages that is for those inside Canada, those outside Canada, middle class, medium class, and this thing. Then which other question do you want to ask? Did I also tell you the money for the company too as well is refundable? Like for example, if you're doing, they have this thing. So after a consultation with them, and you guys have talked, you've agreed on payment plan and all of that, then they will sign an agreement with you guys. They will send you an agreement. They will send you, because even that time when I see that these people are saying that, I'm like, so now let me not get sense for this immigration. And let me tell you one thing, since the time I started making use of agreements, I've had the best peace of mind. That time, look at like that thing that client came to try with me. Can you pay me like agreements? And do you know, funny enough, she was actually reluctant to sign. Very reluctant. She's like, her phone is not working. I said, madam, you will sign this thing. No? I wanted to. I understand. She said her visa is about to expire. She cannot. I understand you. Now wait till you make me shook mouth for a matter. I was like, you will sign this thing. So as how they did not send me work, Timo be around me, Timo Dasi, because usually after referral fee, till allowing be okoba Timojo ayaton, she be allowing we yeba. But because our visa also expire, I went to gossip. I said, when you reach it, they agent to do you okay. I did not even check a document. And I wrote to me, and just one Canada tell her, this you know that kind of thing. No, it's same meal. And so they take the word, they come one switch out to my. I was like, mommy, no matter how you switch this thing, I don't share your contact. You say I don't share your contact. And this one where I tell you, they part of waiting I talk for video. Now I gossip for you, and now because say you're this in the urgent. So no can talk say because say the agent talk say because say this one way the short duration of time. You don't can't use that. Mommy, it's not gonna happen. Don't come and use my gossip against me. So this is me saying as well, if you're running a business, people can be so, please try to get an agreement. Yes, make them sign agreement. I learned the very hard way. Since when I started incorporating agreements into my business, I've had the best peace of mind. And all of that. So start incorporating agreement. So as I was saying, after your consultation with them, they will send you an agreement. So that means even people that have been doing this immigration work, they not say una too they change them out. Say, immigrant mama change them no. That time I used to work with based on faith, as in based on trust. They don't used to do that. So my dear, pishiti. write down for book. And do you know now I used to do it after they sign? They have don't let me talk it again. So I have backup just in case. Usually after a client pays referral fee, right, I'll send them the person's contact on a particular platform. But I used to go and send it now. Just say in case in future me no come there because say that this girl don't say you contact. So I could just say, auntie, please remind me your name. I will just type a month. Today's getting on date. Mama power money on you what do I careful? So the company will actually send you consultation, so agreement for you to sign to seal everything you guys have talked about, just in case there is any argument or disagreement in future. And in this agreement as well, it also contains the refund policy. They have 100% refund if at the end of the day the visa did not come out anything. They have refund policy. You go through it. They have 100% refund. They have 75. They have this. They have different stages. And if it was your fault, maybe you lied to them or anything, you shall go through the agreement. But I'm just telling you that 100% money guarantee for these companies, right? They have agreements. After your consultation, they will send the agreement if you want to proceed with them. All of that. Then another question you guys want to ask is, what's the duration? The thing is, duration actually varies depending on your profession, depending on your location, depending on so many things. So I cannot categorically tell you duration. And because I told you guys that I'm trying to be careful with what I will say, because sometimes when I make videos or try to gist with clients, I can just be saying something out of, let me just gist you. Now that one they will come carry turn I want to use against me. So since then I like you to go and hear from the horse's mouth, because me, I'm just a referral girl, just to give you somebody that is trustworthy. So for them to be able to give you a valid duration, all of that, they have to check your profile, your location, and know what you want. There are some clients that during consultation they will not need to get anything extra, like they are good to go. While there are some, you see, so you're gonna collect your birth certificate, or you're gonna collect your this thing, that kind of thing, you understand? So imagine me, I'm just telling you without assessing it and all of that. And me, it's not my job, it's their job. So that's the essence of the consultation. So any other question that you have for them, you have during your consultation, ask them. That's the essence of the consultation. What is the duration? And they will tell you what is affecting duration, what is clinical or anything, and all of that. The other thing you guys might want to talk about is which is that in documentation. With my experience so far, they've not asked any of my clients any and you know this documentation that you will affect my airline mean, they've not asked them any extra documents that is not, they just ask them normal documents. If you are looking for a job, your normal CV, your normal educational this, for example, you say you're an accountant in Nigeria, of course, which school did you go, your BSc degree, you know, all those things. So to my best knowledge, I've not had any clients that they've asked wonders of the eight. Yeah, there is that I've known, there's no, the area that I've known is all these clients that they want to start process, they don't have international passports. So I don't know of any documents that they've asked anyone and they cannot provide. Yeah, so nobody will ask you any documents, and even if they ask any documents, I believe that there's always compromise. There's always alternatives to any of these documents. I know these companies, they've been in the business for years and all of that, so of course they always tell you what you can use in compromising that. So guys, if you've watched it up to here, if you have any question, if you have any doubts, like general question, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll respond to you guys so that others can actually read and learn from it, right? But if you have specific questions that is tailored to your profile, I am sorry, you have to talk to these agents directly or book a consultation with them, because I don't want to tell you one thing then gonna use it to hook my mind just because you have to collect referral feedback. So like that. So it's the company or the agent that can answer your specific questions, and that's after if they've assessed your CV, your documents, and any other thing like that. The only thing that I can tell you that I know say you know if you use against me, it's general information. Yeah, just general announcement, because I don't wise for this place. So if you're interested, you can send me a mail, you can send me a DM, and so guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.